I'm going to show you how to disable goals or goal resets while playing Rocket League Free Play in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So by default, you can score on Rocket League Free Play, but sometimes you just wanna train and you don't want to be able to score because that makes you lose a lot of time. So to disable it, it's very simple. You just need to go to the free play and open the menu. As you can see right now, I have it enabled, so I can score and it's kinda annoying. So by opening the menu, you need to go to settings and you will see this option to disable the goal reset. So click right here, and now this will be applied on all your free plays games until you disable it again. So as you can see, I'm gonna score and it doesn't do anything. It lets you keep playing free play so you can train or just do whatever you want. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.